what we will do, we will take one router. We need to use the router in such a way that you should have one as a Ethernet also, so we can have the cost more. Else all are having fast Ethernet means cost will be less, one will be there only. So here I will connect this one here, this here, this here, and here you need to add the interface. So you will go here, you will zoom in, you will power off the router, you will add the interface, this one, then you can connect here the cable, and here you need to add the interface Ethernet. So I think this is the Ethernet. Here we can read, no, this is a fast Ethernet, this one may be Ethernet. So let me remove this. First power off the device, remove this fast Ethernet, this is Ethernet. So I did not remove this. We can read here 2 Ethernet port, and I can power on the device. And this cable I can remove like this. From click here and click here, you can see here you have fast Ethernet like this. Clear, right? This one. An IP schema our wish, like example I will give here, this site 192.168.1.1/24 here, and in between I will give 192.168.12.0/24, and here we can give like 192.168.23.0/24, and here we can write like 192.168.2.0/24, and here we can say like 192.168.3.1/24. So here what we can do, we can change this router name so it will be easy for us to track. R1, and you have here R2, you have here R3, and here will be switch 1, switch 2, and you have here switch 3. Okay, so now we need to do the configuration, so we will do the configuration here. This is simple only. First we will write like OSPF Metric lab R1 configuration, enable config T host name R1, then interface F0/0, we will assign the IP address 192.168.1.1, give space 255.255.255.0, and write no shut, then interface F0/1, IP address you have 192.168.12.1, give space 255.255.255.0, and write no shut here. Then router OSPF1, I am using interface method, so I can write like this: IP OSPF1 area 0. Yes, and this one also IP OSPF1 area 0. Then we can copy and paste this in the R1. I will go inside the R1 and we can paste this in the R1. So this is R1. I pasted here. You can see this one is good, no error, nothing. I can save the configuration and we can go here. We can do for the R2. I can paste here and we can modify here. This will be R2, this will be R2, this will be 2 dot, here means 12, 12.2 this will be, and this is F0/1, this F0/1 is 23.1. And we need one more interface here because we have this one also. If you see this F1/0, so I will make this as a 1 and this will be 0. and here you can see we have 2.0, this one, and we need to enable the OSPF under the one more interface, this one. So I will copy this, I will paste this here. Any confusion here, any doubts here? Okay, so this one we will just cross check also, maybe by mistake if I do any misconfiguration. I think it is correct only, but let's paste and check here. So everything is good here, no error, nothing, everything is working. We can stop and we can save this. Now we can do the R3 configuration. R3 is simple, just here we have different interface here. First this will be 23.2. This will be here, the interface will be Ethernet, ETH1/0. Here will be 3.1, and OSPF, no need for this one, and here we can put. Clear, right? Or any confusion here? Okay, so we will go here, we will write here no, and we will paste here, and let's see everything is good, no error here also. And now we need to wait for some time, and then neighborship will form, and we can go to any one interface and we can check, or you can do fast forward and check here. So as we are saying, if anyone want to go to this network, let's cross check. I am saying if anyone want to go from here to here, this network, how much will be the cost? Cost will be, as we are saying, they will check, OSPF will check leaving interface. So this is one leaving interface, this is one leaving interface, this is one leaving interface. So fast Ethernet is having 1, this is 1, and this is 10. So it should be 12, right? So here if you see where it is, this one. So here you see 12. AD value is 1. Because I need to consider this one 10 is coming or not. Anyway, you can check. If you want to check the other way, you check. Yeah, if you want to check this way also, you can do this way also. If you see, like if you consider this is a destination in case, and you want to go from here to here, how much it will cost, means this one and this one. So 2 will come, this is 1, this is 1, 2. But instead of fast Ethernet, if you consider here Ethernet, then this will be 10, so 11 will come. So randomly I designed this one, but that is up to you which method you want to use. Anything, anywhere you can do. Just we need to make sure the cost, like this one, as I just now we check, this is 2 from here to here, and here you see this is also 2, this is 23, means it will come to this place. So this is 1 and this is 1, so this will be 2. Clear, right? So here, and also you have one more option here. If you want to check the cost, you can write here show IP OSPF interface, any interface you can check here, and you will get here the cost. We are checking for fast Ethernet 1 by 1, so cost is coming 1 here. In this router, if you have the Ethernet also, you can check for Ethernet, show IP OSPF interface Ethernet, you can check. But here in this router you don't have Ethernet, that's why invalid interface they are saying, but you can check inside this one. This router is having that interface, show IP OSPF interface Ethernet. What is that Ethernet? 1 by or 1 by 0. So 1 by 0, you can see this cost is 10. We told 10, and see here automatically router is calculating, automatically OSPF is doing this.